So what is Six Sigma? Many students still make a mistake when it comes to the competitive exams. Take for instance, what is the correct answer to this question? Six Sigma is, the options are, a statistical approach of solving a problem where we try to reduce the number of defects to 3.4 parts per million opportunities. Or is it a continuous improvement cycle to improve the existing business processes? Or a holistic improvement philosophy of overall growth of the organization? Let us check each of these in detail. Is Six Sigma a statistical tool of improvement? Yes, by the name itself, Six Sigma correlates each action based on the data and tries to improve the problem based on data and facts. You will see in the course alone that I will be using many statistical tools, Excel and Minitab, to perform analysis, hypothesis, designing the experiment, etc. And we will be using minor and major statistical tools in almost all the steps of Six Sigma. Then, is Six Sigma a continuous improvement cycle? Yes, again. DMAIC cycle, or define, measure, analyze, improve and control for the existing business and processes that needs improvement, and DMADV approach for new businesses or processes. After control phase, we again roll the cycle to make the further improvements in other processes. Both DMADV and DMAIC are the continuous improvement cycles. Then finally, is Six Sigma a holistic improvement philosophy for the overall growth of the organization? Thumbs up for this one too. Six Sigma works in overall improvement philosophy, taking a well care of all the stakeholders and Six Sigma belts, namely the Six Sigma white, yellow, green, black and master black belts, in the increasing order of training and complexity and all other stakeholders. We form a goal statement, problem statement, and the project objective of the improvement in any Six Sigma project which is correlated with the overall goals of the company. There is improvement in any process or services when we adopt Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma properly. Let us form our own definition of Six Sigma then. Six Sigma is a statistical and holistic approach of problem solving operating on a continuous improvement cycle. Simple yet effective. With a rich history of development and use in various organizations, from Motorola to General Electric to Allied Signal and all, we now have a time-tested method of improving the process that most of the Fortune 500 companies still use in their business operation. And with the inclusion of lean tools in Six Sigma, we are now able to remove the non-value added steps from any processes and eliminate the waste and improve the customer compliance along with the reduction of cost. Lean is a continuous improvement and a value-oriented strategy of creating more value to the customers using minimum resources and with minimization of the waste in every steps of the process. When we create more value to the customers by providing the customers the quality product or services at right time, in right place and at right price, we make the customers happy. Also, when we can produce the products or services with minimum resources and with minimization of the waste, it increases the profit of the company. So overall, it is a win-win situation for both business and customer. We now have enough tools to fight battles of innovation and improvements with Lean and Six Sigma.